Yes, my dear friends, in this lesson we will install the module necessary for Arduino and Python to communicate. For this, we need to use the PySerial module. This module allows us to do port control and we can control Arduino in this way. So let's get started. For this, let's open the terminal and let's type here pip space install space PySerial module, and also let's press enter. And you see, we have successfully installed PySerial module. So now let's check the module. For this, let's move to our project folder and let's create a new Python file. Here, let the Python file name be, for example, test2.p, and also let's press enter. And also, if you want to use PySerial module in Python programming language, what we have to do now is to import as serial. So that's why I will import serial module here. And also let's move to a new line and let's call print function and let's print serial dot underscore version underscore. And if we run our code like this, and as you can see, we got the output successfully. So now let's move on to our other lessons and learn the serial communication between Arduino and Python.